What's up, YouTube? So in this video, I want to show you how I traded during this US election and how it went, and how I did my fundamental analysis using ChatGPT and how powerful it is. And I will also be showing you so many other secrets. So I don't want to waste much of your time. So let's get to my computer screen. Quick one, please. Try and subscribe to the channel. If you don't want to subscribe, at least try and like the video. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen now. Okay, so now let me show you how I did my analysis. One of the things that helped me to do my analysis during this election. I couldn't hold, after doing some Google research and all that, I couldn't get good data or information. So I used ChatGPT for my in-depth analysis to understand what happened during the market. So here, this is the question I asked ChatGPT. I said immediately after or before US election, what happens to indices like S&P 500 and Nasdaq? Because my intention is to trade US stocks. Okay, and ChatGPT started giving me all this information, and I don't want it. I want ChatGPT to give me the information based on past data, based on what happens to this market in the past. So, and I asked the question, and I will change. I said use past data. So, and then start with first one, 2018 election, Obama versus McCain. Now, I want you to pay attention to what is going on here. I want you to pay attention to something here. Okay. The 2008 election, Obama and McCain. So they said in the month, S&P 500, in the month leading up to the election, the S&P 500 declined sharply, reflecting recession fears. After the election, volatility remained high, but there was a modest rebound as the government intervention was introduced. So key point here, the same thing. Nasdaq, similar declines and volatility due to economic uncertainty, but rebound in early. They did the same thing. Now, what I want you to put out here, because I want to show you something. Market declines before the election, but after the election, market bounced back up. That was what happened 2008. So 2012, okay, Obama again and Romney. They said the S&P 500 had a moderate rally leading up to the election, though it declined slightly after Obama's re-election, likely due to tax policy and all that. By the end of November, the market began to stabilize. The Nasdaq shows similar pattern. Okay. A quick one. Please, I want to actually announce something before we continue with the video. If I will be having a training seminar this November 30, and it's going to be power packed because I will be showing you my technical analysis, how I do my technical analysis, how I do my fundamental analysis, how I handle psychology, how I handle my losses, and how I do almost everything. Okay, that has to do with my trading. And when we are done with the video, with the training, I will send every participant the video. So I will drop it in the group so everybody can download it and you can rewatch it again. And I don't intend holding anything back. And this is just a way of me trying to give back to the community, trying to give back to you guys. So for you to register for the training, check the link in the description and try and register. Don't forget to drop your WhatsApp number when you are registering, because I will add you to a group, and that is where I will drop every necessary information regarding the seminar. So in this case, okay, there was, during that period, there was a decline. Like there was initial rally, moderate rally, but eventually there was a decline. Then after a while, the market rebound too in 2012. Okay, so let's look at 2016 now, 2016. So they said leading up to the election, okay, the S&P 500 was relatively flat due to uncertainty. On election night, future fell sharply as Trump's victory became clear, but markets quickly rebounded the next day, starting a Trump rally that pushed the index higher in anticipation of business-friendly policy. Nasdaq also experienced same thing. Now, this one too, market was flat, or let me just say consolidate, okay, and eventually it drops a little bit. But after the election, what happened? The market rally up, okay, which they call Trump rally. Okay, it went up. Okay, so 2020 again,
Okay, this happens during COVID-19 and all that. But what happens to S&P 500? The index was quite volatile leading to up to election, partly due to pandemic as well concerned. After the election, it rallied because index was down during 2020 as a result of election and the COVID-19 pandemic. So they were dropped. But after the election, it rallied significantly. Okay, it rallied. So Texas performed strongly both before and after election. This one, before and after, it did well. So basically, they follow similar pattern. Okay, so what do you get from this? What we get from this is the fact that before election, there is always this downward movement of price of this market. But before or after the election, there is always a rally. Okay, there is always a rally. That is what happened. After I did this, I did more research to confirm these things. Now, I want to take you to my computer chart. I want to show you charts now on my screen, and let's look at what is going on. Okay, this is S&P 500. Okay, this is S&P 500. Okay, so this is S&P 500. Now, when as soon as we started getting close to election period, markets started consolidating, which based on the article we read, sometimes it will go flat, like consolidate, and then sometimes it will drop. Sometimes it's not just consolidate, it just drop. So before the election, market has been consolidating, then finally drop. Now, today, being election day, you can see market started showing patterns of reversal or rally back up. Okay, and that is why I key into this trade. I'm in this trade right now as I'm talking to you. The same thing Nasdaq. Okay, the same thing Nasdaq. Look at Nasdaq. Okay, okay, Nasdaq. So Nasdaq too, during the election, it was consolidating, some kind of little rally to the upside. Then it dropped significantly too. Okay, but right now it gave that similar pattern of reversal or rally to the upside. So right now as I'm talking to you, I've keyed into this one too. If we check US 30, the same thing. So the bottom line here is that whenever you are trading, you don't just want to jump into the market, you want to do accurate research. If you don't have access, use ChatGPT to get information. Okay, just ask ChatGPT any question and it's going to give you the answer. Okay, just if you don't know, if you have nobody, no friend, nobody, no trader, no mentor to help you with something, you can easily ask ChatGPT to tell you or give you hints on certain things. And then you want to put more research together or do some studies and then use it to take your trade. So while other people are sitting behind because of the election stuff, I have actually keyed into this trade, and I hope and I believe it's going to continue to rally to the upside for a while. So basically, this is what I want to show you, and I believe that you can also take advantage of something like this in the future. Okay, so see you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up.